So, in this video, we're going to look at a very new concept. The concept of getting input, getting information and data from the actual user, from the person sitting there, double-clicking the program and wanting to use it. This is done in Python through a function, like everything in Python basically. The function is called input. The input function allows us to receive whatever the user enters. This could be a number or text, lots of different stuff, and assign that which the user inputs to a variable, which we know how to do anyway. By doing this, we can create programs that do certain things to, for example, a calculator that doesn't add specific numbers which we have already set, but that adds numbers which the user wants to be added. So if we want to add x plus y, and we have a program where the user can give input to decide what x and what y are going to be equal to, we can have a simple addition calculator. Now, getting input in Python is very easy, and as I said before, is done through the input function. In this video, we're going to alternate our little hello program that we created in the last video in order to print a message that the user inputs. First of all, we create a variable, x is equal to. Now we want to make x equal to the user's input and then print x. So we quickly write print x, and now the program will print x. Currently x is still equal to nothing, but we are going to make x equal to the input message, the user's message. Now, to get this message, we use the input function. The input function is called like the print function by simply writing the name, input, and then in brackets the further information the function needs. In this case, all we need, or all we can give, is a little message that gives the user knowledge about what they're supposed to input. We're going to write, please input a message. Now, what this will do, when Python runs this line of code, it will create a variable, x, and set this variable equal to whatever we as the user input after this line, which it will print. To clarify this, we're simply going to show you. We file, save, because we can't run Python programs without having saved them, and now run module. Here we go. The interactive shell opens and we get please input a message. So we see the line was executed, the variable x was created, and we can now set it equal to something. This message, which was given in the parameters, was printed as part of the input function. So we want to make this variable equal to the message. Our message is still hello. As the user, we can now input this information, this word, press enter, and we are returned hello. We are returned x. X was set equal to our input, which was hello, and then our input, which is x, was printed. You can probably see how this is one of the most important things in any program, because programs rely on the fact that users do something with the program, that the program has to receive, save, and then do something with the input the user gives. Input can have many forms. Input can be a click of a mouse, the entering of a word, the pressing of a button, but for now input is going to be inputting of texts or numbers. With this knowledge that we have just gained, in the next video we're going to look at how to create a simple but kind of useful addition program calculator in which we can add numbers that the user inputs.